Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys another vlogmas. It's another vlogmas day, or would I say this is vlogmas day 1 for me. Welcome to my channel. So we are at the dollar store. I decided to bring you guys to the dollar store because we decided to, of course, buy some. I wanted to add more decor to my the things I already have, so I decided to come to the dollar store. I just did not want to spend so much on decor and everything, especially for Christmas decor, because it's something that you take down in a few days. So yeah, I decided to come to the dollar store to get some things, and my girls and I decided to come here, and I decided to make you guys along. So this is what so Olivia was the one filming you guys, so she was like kind of like all over the place, but I like the fact that she kind of like got a whole lot of things, like showed you guys a whole lot. So yeah, as you can see, I was busy shopping and she was busy filming and just walking around, and Tiffany was just walking around with me, and I was just looking around. They have nice things here, you guys, they really do. Yeah, they have really nice things, so I was able to get a whole lot that I used to decorate my house, so that worked for me. So yeah, if you need any decor, like any holiday decor, Dollar Tree, trust me, they always have the best. And then they now have a section where they have the like $5 section, the $10 section, so you can also see some really nice things on there.
I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and here, my name is Ada, and today we are going to be putting up, don't mind my oversized shirt, but we're going to be putting up the Christmas tree. My house is a mess right now, even though I cleaned it the other day, but we're going to be putting up my Christmas tree, and I'm so excited. Finally, we are putting up this Christmas tree, and let's decorate. If you're new on here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always staying back in here. And yeah, subscribe if you have not done that already. Click that like button, because I'm sure you're definitely going to love my channel. And welcome to the family. Join us in here. So let's just go ahead and start decorating. Hey mama. Ooh, look who we have here. Hi, sweet girl. Mommy. Are we ready to decorate the tree?
Mommy, remember?
Look who we have, Olivia. Are we ready, Olivia?
Yeah, this is from last year. I made this ornament.
So we are all ready and excited. Tiffany, are you ready?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so let's do this. So now we are back home, of course, and we are now starting to bring out our Christmas tree. I've had this Christmas tree for maybe like 2 years or so, I can't remember, but this is the same tree that I put up, and my kids get so excited whenever it's time to put up the Christmas tree. So everybody is just like so excited. So yeah, because it's beginning to feel like Christmas. So my kids were just so excited. But let me tell you guys about this little Christmas tree. Hold on, let me tell you guys what happened. Just hold on.
Santa is coming. I know. Santa is coming. Oh. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Friends and family, maybe Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
Okay, you guys, as I was saying, this is a little story that I had to tell you guys. After decorating this tree, I just decided to do something different. So I decided to do a different style. I was just trying to try out something different. Okay, so here I am just thinking that I'm doing something different, and man, nah, this did not come out like I wanted it to. I don't know what it was looking like, but anyways, it's time to clean up, and because the house is a mess, of course, so I'm cleaning out the whole house, trying to make, set the vibe, make everywhere.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So you guys, the tree just did not come out like the way I don't know, but it just did not look right to me. So I don't know. So I just decided to clean up first of all and get second opinion. And the second opinion was not opinioning, okay? So you guys, the tree was just something else, so I had to kind of like redecorate the whole thing, and I didn't have to do much though, but I just have to the what is it called, the gallants, or what, the thing that I put on, I just had to do a different style with it so that my tree can come out better. So I'm going to show you guys. I decided to, of course, clean out the whole place just to have everywhere clean, my tree light up, and my candle burning and everywhere, just to have that vibe, you know, the Christmassy, cozy, comfy vibe. So yeah, I had to do that, and let me show you guys.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All those second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.
So this is what I did for the tree. This is how I changed it, and I think this looks so much better. And I also decided to get another tree skirt for it, which looks so much better as well. This is me. The house is looking good. Smells, oh my goodness, my house was smelling like the smell, oh gosh, it was smelling so good in here. And I just sat down and watched the movie because the kids had gone to bed. So this is my Christmas tree, what it's looking like. So it's just so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave your comment down below, tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The things I love, the things I love, love, love.